guys, welcome to Tech. Look what we have here today. It's a MacBook Pro. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the 16 inches MacBook. I'll give you a brief description about the product I have here. At 16 inches, it's a 2.3 gigahertz of 8-core Intel Core i9, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 TB of SSD. We have a headphone jack, stereo speakers, touch ID, touch bar, and a Magic keyboard. I'll talk to you about the Magic keyboard after we do the unboxing. Alright, stay tuned. Welcome back. So let's do the unboxing of the 16 inches. Let's keep it aside. Let's have a look at it. What do we have inside this? These are the documentations. Favorite sticker. Now it comes in silver and black. Keep it aside. That's the charger. 96 watts Type-C power adapter. Alright, that's the Type-C cable. So let's keep this apart. Let's keep this aside and let's get started with the MacBook Pro. I like the feel of the new MacBook. There you go. It boots up. That's the good thing about the Apple. The moment you open the lid of the new MacBook, it starts booting up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Alright guys, now we have our new MacBook already all set up to use. Let me talk to you about what happened with the keyboard before. 2015, MacBook came up with the keyboard which was known as butterfly mechanism, and which travels in less when you press, which makes the keyboard more thinner and overall design it becomes very sleek. But after the use of the mechanism, there had been people complaining about the keyboard having an issue, like when they press it, it comes up like 2 times, or they have a sticky keys and many more problems. So Apple had to come up with a solution. So they had a free repair program for them. Talking about the new 16 inches laptop, we have 3072 by 1929. Talking about the 16 inches display, we have 3072 by 1920, native resolution of 226 ppi. It's configurable to 2.4 gigahertz to 8-core Intel Core i9 with turbo boost to up to 5.0 gig. With the 16 MB shared L3, improved cooling system for the better performance in this, and you can choose up to 8 gigabytes SSD, how much is your requirement, and you can still choose up to 64 GB of RAM, and the graphics are AMD Pro to 5500 of 6 gigs. It has 6 speaker system, force cancelling woofer. The Magic keyboard, they have completely changed it. This is called the Magic keyboard on the 2019-20 model. They have changed the arrow keys as well. Earlier in the other model we had the left and the right, the bigger, and now they have probably the way we had in the old times. Now we have a dedicated hardware escape key. It is not integrated into the touch bar. And we have Touch ID, which is also separate. It's not into the touch bar again. They claim they have the 11 hours of battery life, and the height is 0.64 inches, the width is 14.09 inches, the depth is 9.68 inches. The total weight of this laptop is 4.3 pounds. So let's see how this goes when we start using it. I'll give you a comparison between the 2015 MacBook Pro 15 inches as per the 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. The keys are different. They have a bigger trackpad. They have a lesser trackpad here. These are the keys I was talking about. Initially we had this. It came down to a different one. Now it's back to the other one. Escape keys, Touch ID is not here. It's a Power ID plus Touch ID integrated together. The bezels have become smaller than the 15 inches and is pretty much the same size, but they have increased the bezel size remains the same as per the 16 inches in the 15 inches. This is a MacBook 2018 and this is a 2019 MacBook Pro. This is the one I was talking about. The keys has been different. It has been changed to the old school. We don't have the bigger keys anymore. We have this. The escape key is integrated into the touch bar. Here it's physically different. Touch ID is inside the touch bar, which is completely separate outside. They have a larger speaker. They have a medium speaker here. Touchpad is different as well. That's the physical keyboard to the 13-inch as per the new one, 16 inches 2020. I hope you liked the video. If you have any review about the same, do write down in the comment section and let me know if this is going to be a new MacBook Pro. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.